cooking my version. Alright, welcome again guys to another video. And on today's menu we have chicken. Fried chicken. Now to our seasoning. So now we have our all-purpose, our chicken season, our garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper. Alright, so no probably wonder why chicken? Because a corona time, right? Can't go buy much, and if we go buy much, we're afraid of the corona thing and whatever. So therefore we're preparing chicken, but not just any chicken, but some homemade French fried chicken. As you can see, the powder season not going, right? So you must be wondering why we are using so much powder seasoning. Guys, it's a lot of chicken, about 5 to 6 pounds. So therefore, you know, you need enough powder seasoning in order to flavor your chicken. So do not shoot the messenger for saying, I want make you put so much powder seasoning, it's not good for no. Guys, we already know. Alright? We're not here to teach you how to cook, but we're just telling you our version. The thing we're always looking for is the end product. And as you can see, we're marinating the chicken into all the powder seasoning. And if you look at it, it does not look over seasoned. It doesn't look dark on seasoning. And here we have it all covered. So now we're making a liquid paste. We're not using eggs this time. We're using a liquid paste using flour and a little bit of powder seasoning, right? So that we can dip our chicken into the liquid paste and then flour the chicken afterward to get our crispy fried chicken, right? So now, as we mentioned before many times, this is our version. So, you know, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just delivering it how I got it. So, remember guys, subscribe, like, comment, whatever views you may have, asking whatever questions you may have. You see that consistency, and that's what we want. Not too liquidy and not too thick. You just need that right consistency. If it's too thick, you put some more water. If it's too watery, you put some flour. Alright, so this is now going to be a coating, not quote. Do not quote me on that. Alright, so I dip with chicken at a liquid paste. See how beautiful that look. And then, you know, flour it a little bit. And
I'm not sure.
guys, if you need Alexa at the back, ignore her. So she enough half the time. Alright, so now we are flouring our chicken. Sometimes I can't even say that word, flouring. Flouring. Alright, moving on. Alright, so this is creating a coat for the chicken. My goodness, me and that talking thing and I work good. Alright, so putting it to sit because the aisle there heat up, so that's why we have to make it sit down and wait. Alright, so now leg piece of chicken gone in. You know, I get a nice look, you know, wet up. And now for the flour. Alright guys, so you may be wondering, is this all you're going to get? No. Because of Corona, COVID-19, we can't really go out. And we call it meat shop sometimes full and we don't want to stand up in a line and wait for nothing. So therefore, we get it things. We get what's easiest, which is chicken. And we did buy chicken before, you know, way before this. So we just had to go and, you know, produce some nice video for you, so that we can keep this thing going. Alright, so we still have to make the chicken in 1 week. I still not out yet. You know, so it depends on you, the person, how much of the piece you make up on the meat or the chicken, and how much of the flour you put on. So now we have the chicken gone in at the pot, you know, and now you make it fry for probably like 12 minutes thereabout on each side, or until you're satisfied. We fry it until we're satisfied. We don't time it, right? Just fry until it's satisfied. It have that brown, not brown, a golden color. I don't know why I say brown. A golden color. And say cook right through. Alright, so we end up cover the pot for chop some heat in the pot, so that's it kinda, you know, fry through. Alright, look at that, brown. I'm keeping on say brown. Gold color. Gold, golden brown. Still, yeah, I still can use brown, but a golden brown, right? So, if you look at it, you can see how crispy it looks. Believe me, it crispy. Right? So as I said, you can use egg wash if you want, but you can use a flour paste if you like. Right? So, we're making it soak through, if that's the word, maybe, but we're looking for that brown golden color, whichever way you want to put it, right? So if you look at the outside of the chicken, it's crispy, right? It's up to you, the person, how crispy you want it or not crispy. If you want to use the skin on it for kind of create that, crispiness, you can use the skin, but this also creates an outside coating, right? An outside coating. So, preference. If you want to keep the skin, you can keep the skin. It will probably be even more crunchy. But we're not skin lovers, so therefore we remove the skin. I have to get it this brown, but it's preference from the chef to make it this brown. You can leave it a little bit light gold, then brown, or you can make it a little dark, so say, yeah man, it cook right through. When you slice through it or stab it with a fork, it will fry. See? So now we're working on getting you more content, more diverse cooking, whether Jamaican, Asian, American, Chinese, Japanese, Brazilian. We're gonna get you more content as soon as this corona thing goes down a little bit. Right now, it wreak havoc all over the world and in Jamaica right now, as you all know. So now we have to bring what we can give right? So, as I said, you can comment below, let us know what you guys think, what you guys would like to see, and we'll do our best to tailor it that way. If not, we'll continue to produce, videos to make you guys more interested to want to watch and probably hear my annoying voice, or I probably want to mute it and just watch a video, or I probably want to watch a video and just listen to my voice. Or no choose, but let us know in the comment section and we shall tailor it that way. Okay? So, if you look at that, wow, beautiful. Always watch it in, guys. You'll never be disappointed. I'm telling you. Never be disappointed. So, we're finishing up all the frying, and as we can see the end product, and it looks amazing. It was seriously crunchy. And if I'm to rate it, I'll give it a 8.5 out of 10. Right? I'm not supposed to be eating fried chicken. Right? And I'm not much of the person who likes the crust that much, the crispiness, but it was really good. It great. Words from the chef is comment, share, subscribe, and we'll continue to produce more content of this kind and even better. Alright guys? So tell me what you guys think. How does this look? And we'll see you in the next one.